Purposive sampling, also known as purposeful sampling, is a strategically driven approach to participant selection designed to align closely with the objectives of the research. Purposive sampling involves the deliberate selection of individuals who possess specific characteristics, knowledge, or experiences that are directly relevant to the study's focus. The intention here is not to gather a wide, diverse group of participants, but to choose individuals whose particular insights can provide depth and richness to the data. In purposive sampling, researchers carefully define the criteria for inclusion, selecting participants based on how well they fit the study's needs. This targeted approach guarantees that the participants are not only suitable but also capable of offering the kind of focused and contextually relevant information that research seeks to uncover. The primary strength of purposive sampling lies in its efficiency and precision. By handpicking participants based on specific criteria, researchers can ensure that every individual involved in the study has a direct connection to the research topic, which enhances the quality of the data collected. For instance, if a researcher is investigating the experiences of people recovering from cancer, they would purposely select participants who have undergone cancer treatment, ensuring that the data collected is directly relevant to the research question. This method is especially useful in qualitative research, where the goal is often to gain a deeper understanding of a particular phenomenon rather than to generalize findings to a larger population. Moreover, purposive sampling is often more practical when working with small or hard-to-reach populations. In studies involving niche groups, such as people with rare medical conditions or members of specific subcultures, purposive sampling enables researchers to focus on finding individuals who meet the study's strict criteria, bypassing the need for broader recruitment efforts that may yield less relevant participants. While purposeful sampling offers many advantages in terms of relevance and efficiency, it also comes with inherent limitations, the most significant of which is the risk of selection bias. Since participants are chosen subjectively by the researcher, there is always the potential for bias in the selection process. The researcher's choices may be influenced by preconceived notions about who would provide the most useful data, which could result in an unbalanced and unrepresentative sample. Since the sample is intentionally selective, it does not provide an accurate cross-section of a broader group. As a result, purposive sampling is not ideal for studies where broad generalizability is a key objective. Purposive sampling is most commonly employed in qualitative research where the goal is to explore specific themes, experiences, or phenomena in great detail. It is particularly useful when researchers are investigating a clearly defined group or phenomenon, such as in case studies, ethnographic research, or studies focusing on specific areas like mental health, education, or organizational behavior. Additionally, purposive sampling is often used in evaluation research, where the goal is to assess a program, policy, or intervention. By focusing on individuals with first-hand experience, researchers can gather detailed feedback that is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of the intervention.